Okay, my dear ones, as you know that, सुनो ध्यान से, अब सोचना बंद कर दो. Again, we have a Saturday, and it has become our tradition that we have only speaking session on Saturdays, and the topics given to you are very simple. And first thing is that you need knowledge. So if you have knowledge, you can speak on any topic. You need two things: using that knowledge and framing the sentences. Okay. So I think you are ready, and the topic for B2020 students is vitamins, and you know very well what are the vitamins and how are they important and from where we get them. ये लीजिए आगे 3 पॉइंट उठा करके. And what if there is the lacking of vitamins in our food? You know very well. फोकस करो, चीजों को डिस्क्राइब करना सीखो, एलिबोरेट करना सीखो, फिर देखो कितना मजा आता है. आगे जाके ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में बैठोगे आप लोग बड़े होने के बाद में. हाँ, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में बैठोगे आप लोग अगर आपको फ्यूचर में सक्सेसफुल होना है तो. और ऐसे ही आपको मालवीय नगर, दुर्गापुरा, जगतपुरा, तारों की कूट पे ही रहना है जिंदगी भर. हाँ तो बात ही अलग है फिर तो. हाँ, पर शायद आई थिंक योर पेरेंट्स पे मनी नॉट फॉर दिस. पैसे दे रहे हैं ना आपके पेरेंट्स बेटा हो, इसलिए नहीं दे रहे हैं कि आपको बस यही इसी चक्कर में घूमना है. हम तो चाहते हैं कि ये एयरपोर्ट पे जाओ और हवाई जहाजों में उड़ो और बड़ी बड़ी जगहों पे जाके काम करो, आप सब कुछ करो आप. हम तो ये चाहते हैं दिल से, हैं. सो ये वाली बात है. तो टॉपिक इज विटामिन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ B20 एंड द प्रिंसिपल, माई प्रिंसिपल. And I have told you what you have to speak about the principle. This is the topic for the students of B23 because still right now they are not able to speak on on other topics because they are not fully trained. So don't feel any fear and try to give your best. So I think you are ready for it, and I have also got. Oh my God! अरे कौन है रे, कौन है रे? इसको तो मैं बताता हूँ अभी. गौरव. गौरव की आईडी से तो ये आती है अंजू. हाँ, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, अरे ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, टच टच टच, अरे लिंगन गुली लिंगा टच टच टच. अभी मैं बता रहा हूँ तेरे को, रुक जा अभी तू. यस कम ऑन, रुक जा अभी. वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद गौरव. कम ऑन गौरव. ब्ला ब्ला
Yes,
ब्ला.
sir.
मैं भी ब्ला ब्ला बोलने लग गया तेरे चक्कर में.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic.
यस, क्या हुआ? ये लो, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है तो. चलो ओके. तो गौरव के बाद में नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग अंजू. अंजलि,
Sir,
रुक जा एक मिनट. तो कहाँ चला जाता है तू?
leave हो गई थी class.
लीव हो गई थी. चला जा गौरव फटाफट से.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. I'm Gaurav here, and my today's topic is about vitamins. Vitamins are very important minerals for our body, which help us. They protect our bodies against diseases, and also they have a very important role in our body of maintaining our organs. Like vitamin A takes care of our eyes, and vitamin D takes care of our bones, and there are many more, but the ones which are important are A, B, and C. And so you have to eat a balanced diet to balance all of them and get all of them and get all the benefits. But you are thinking I will only get vitamin A because I don't like the foods in which there is vitamin B.
आई डोंट
So
लाइक
you
फूड. चटोरे हो गए, चटवा दो बस इनको. आई
yes
डोंट
sir.
लाइक फूड. बोल.
Yes sir. So uh, so you are on the wrong way, because if you don't eat the B, C, D, and other vitamins, you will have a disease called a deficiency of vitamin, uh, or you can say that the need of that vitamin is not fulfilled, or you are not taking, and you need that vitamin, so it's a deficiency in your body, and it can be fatal, because if you don't take vitamin A, yeah, you can lose your eyesight, and also your vision can be blurry.
Blurry nahi, blur.
And yes, and also these diseases have some names also. These deficiencies have some names, like with the deficiency of vitamin C, scurvy, and the and many more. So, eat a balanced diet containing pulses, grains, liquid, calcium, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats,
Hmm.
and stay healthy. That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. Yes, come on. अंजू है अनुज है, हमेशा कंफ्यूजन होता है. अनुज नहीं, अंजू. यस, वेयर इज अंजू? सो गई होगी.
I'm here. No,
हियर
sir.
तो कम ऑन, कम ऑन.
मैं नहीं सोई.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. नहीं सोई तो आज तू.
Today's topic is vitamins. So, vitamins is organic substance that comes in food and essential things,
अच्छे से बेटा, अच्छे से कोशिश करो बेटा.
they discovered in 1881. There are three important vitamins: A, B, and C vitamin.
Hmm.
And vitamin A is essentially used for growing body, bones, and skin and other parts. It is found in milk and green vegetables another
शाबाश.
time.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. हाँ हाँ.
And in vitamin E, shortage of body, and that can cause a disease named
बेराबेरी. हाँ.
beriberi, and it is found in cereals. Cereals, they're a good source of vitamin C. Human milk, but it is present in large amount in oranges, lemons, and fresh fruits. But it can cause scurvy disease. That's it, sir.
ओके. यस, कम ऑन रक्षित. तो ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश क्या करो थोड़ी सी. ट्राई टू स्पीक एज मच एज यू कैन. कम ऑन गौरव. रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am expressing my views on the topic that is vitamins. So we know that what are vitamins? The term vitamin is discovered by Lunin in 1881, and he described the vitamins as one of the various organic substances that are essential for every organism on the planet, and are found in food, and vitamins plays a role in the prevention of deficiency diseases. And we know that vitamins are very important, and there are mainly five types of vitamins: vitamin A,
शाबाश.
B, C, D, and E, and there are many categories of these. And every vitamin has its different and definite functions. And vitamins are the micronutrients, just like protein, carbohydrates, etc., and that are essential for humans or animals to take in, so that their body can perform better in the life. and we know that, and there are majorly two types of vitamins. Means vitamins are categorized mainly in two main groups. First is water soluble vitamins, and second is fat soluble
वेरी
fat
गुड,
soluble
बहुत नाइस नाइस
vitamins.
नाइस स्पीकिंग। गौरव सुन ले, कहाँ है गौरव? देख ले। हाँ बोल बेटा।
Yes, so water soluble vitamins are, you can say, vitamin C is the type of this, and complex vitamin Bs like vitamin B1, vitamin B2, etc. are a type of this vitamin, and male, and these vitamins these vitamins are dissolved in water and are not stored in the body. These vitamins are directly absorbed by the body, and excess and the excess vitamins that are taken by the body of
बहुत बढ़िया यार, मजा आ गया।
this type are excreted by the body through urine. And the other is fat soluble vitamins, which are dissolved in fats and are stored in fatty tissues and liver in the body. And so these are the major two types of vitamins, and in the depth we can go, so we can categorize the vitamins in vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and these all vitamins perform different and definite functions, just like vitamin A, that is essential for the growth of the body and protects skin and many soft parts of the body, and also checks and also prevents infection in the body. And vitamin A is mostly found in milk and green vegetables, and also there are many sources, and it depends on food that how much vitamin is contained in the food, whether it is veg or non-veg, and vitamin B is found in green vegetables and fruits, pulses, cereals, etc. And there is a disease that is beriberi, that is caused by the shortage of vitamin B. And the vitamin C is found in human milk, but also it is found in green vegetables, fruits, oranges, lemon, etc. Means vitamin C is mostly found vitamin C can be found in the sour things like lemon, oranges, etc. And also vitamin, and the biggest source of vitamin D we can see is sunlight. We by exposing ourselves in sunlight, we
शाबाश,
can
बहुत
take
बढ़िया, वेरी
vitamin
गुड।
D.
यस, शाबाश,
And
वेरी गुड। हाँ
and
गौरव सुन
vitamin
ले
D.
तू, कहाँ है गौरव? कैमरा चालू कर तेरा। इंटेलिजेंट लड़का है लेकिन बोलने में कंजूसी करता है। बोल रक्षित।
And vitamin E is also found in cereals, pulses, and nuts and seeds, and also in plant-based oils, etc. So there are many sources of taking these vitamins, but it is important to take these vitamins in our daily life, because they are very important for our body to perform daily functions and essential functions like nutrition, like the various life processes that are very important, just as nutrition, excretion, transportation, and respiration. And so to perform these life processes, body needs different micronutrients and including vitamins.
शाबाश।
And so how can we take vitamins? So we know that so to take vitamins, we should take a balanced diet. We should not, first of all, we should not eat the junk food, because it gives bad calories, and that is of no use. and we should have our balanced diets in such a way that we are eating vegetables, cereals, pulses, and nuts and seeds, fruits, and these healthy things in a proper quantity, not more, not less, and that in a quantity that they are, and that the thing we are eating are fulfilling our requirements of micronutrients, are all micronutrients, including vitamins. So like this, we can we can fulfill the requirement of vitamins in our body, but there are also other sources made by humans for taking the for fulfilling the requirement of vitamins, that are many medicines, what to say, like just like many medicines that are given, that are sold in the market to fulfill the requirement of vitamins, and but means medicines, there is a word to tell this, that is supplements. So people can also take this for vitamins, but there is a thing that but supplements should be taken on only on the advice of doctor and after the advice of a doctor. So if anyone is thinking of taking supplements to fulfill the requirement of micronutrients, so first he or she should consult to a doctor, to a doctor, and if the doctor agrees for taking the supplements, the person can take the supplements. So,
Yes.
so at last, I want to say that vitamins are very important, and that we can also say they are the building block They are the building block micronutrients for our body.
Very
So don't so please fulfill the requirements of micronutrients and stay healthy. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन किया है. सुना करो. अपनी विल पावर होनी चाहिए बोलने की, अच्छा बोलने की. ये नहीं 4 लाइन बोले और चल दिए. छोटे बच्चों की तो बात चलो कोई बात नहीं, बड़े हैं वो तो समझदार हैं, थोड़ा सा वो तो अच्छे से एलिबोरेट करके बोल सकते हैं ना. आपके ऊपर है ये, तो आप कितना करोगे. यस, कम ऑन अनुज.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is vitamins. So, as we are human being and we need we need energy to live and to grow, and therefore we eat or we consume nutrients, and in nutrients we consume water, fats, carbs, vitamins or proteins. So these all are essentials for a human body, and vitamins are also called the organic substances, which are commonly found in which are commonly given by nature through vegetables, fruits,
शाबाश.
or in today's time it is being given by supplements also. So there are not many vitamins, but there are about 20 vitamins have been discovered by Leonin in
Shabash.
1881.
Very good.
And it's not easy for someone to consume them frequently, and it is, don't know why it is also considered that moderation is key. And there are vitamins, the major vitamins are vitamin A, B, C, and I would say D. And in B vitamins there are also the types of vitamin B, like vitamin B1, B2, B3, B5, 6, 7, and 9, I guess. So, or vitamin B12 also. So there are also consuming them is obviously fine, but the deficiency of them also causes causes some diseases to human.
Very good,
And
very good.
I don't know about animals, but it's the essentials for us to consume them, but in moderation or in frequency, whatever you like. But means, however, is it suitable for you? So vitamins are commonly found in veggies and fruits, but in today's time, it's the time of fast food and junk food and the packaged food and the frozen food. So it's no longer related to vitamins, but people sees that and these food seems to be easy to be eaten
हाँ
because
शाबाश, बहुत
it's
बढ़िया। देखो नेचुरल आने लग गया ना अब। ये है नेचुरल इंग्लिश। यस कम ऑन। ये इसको कहते हैं नेचुरली
because
स्पीकिंग। वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ
uh, all the types of foods that I have mentioned are particularly on artificial substances, artificial sweeteners or sugars or something like that. So these only give you the tongue taste for some time or for some days or some weeks. But in lo- but long last, you need to get uh, you need to get nutrients from the nature. And it is we all know that 60 or 70% of our body is of water. And
70% आई थिंक।
yes,
यस शाबाश, कोई बात नहीं, ये कोई मैटर नहीं है। बस जैसे बोल रहे हो ना, वो सच में मेरे को आई एम प्राउड यार। कुछ भी कहो तुम अनुज, बट आई फील प्राउड यार। तुम्हारी स्पीकिंग जब मैं सुनता हूँ ना, तो सबकी, पर तुम्हारी तो एक अलग मैटर है। फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट स्कूल, फ्रॉम हिंदी मीडियम,
yes, sir.
ये होते हैं प्राउड मोमेंट्स। कोई चीटिंग नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं। इसको मैं, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है इसका क्या है, क्या इसकी स्थिति है। मतलब मैं बहुत साल से तो इसको नहीं जानता हूँ, पर मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं कमेंट करूँ कुछ। पर इस लड़के ने जितना कुछ किया है ना, मतलब जिस तरीके से किया है चीजों को, आई नेवर वांट टू लूज सच स्टूडेंट्स। नेवर नेवर नेवर। दैट इज व्हाई आई कॉल्ड यू द डे बिफोर यस्टरडे। आई डोंट नो वेदर इज इट क्लियर टू यू और नॉट, दैट व्हाई आई कॉल्ड यू, but I don't want to lose you. Yes, come on,
Okay.
carry on.
Thank you, sir, for this. So let's bring it up. So vitamins are obviously useful, and those who don't like or those who refuse to eat veggies or fruits are fools, I would say, because they are refusing what is a must for them. And there is also a debate which goes vegetarianism or non-vegetarianism.
Hmm.
So I would always go with vegetarianism because nature has given us enough that we don't need to kill any being of on this earth.
Wash.
And there are so many fruit based diet that we cannot even imagine. Like we always we in daily life we max to max we eat 10 or means 10 or 15 types of vegetables or 5 to 10 types of fruits, but there are endless fruits. Or even apple, there are 20,000 varieties of apple that can never be imagined. And yeah, so consume vitamins as you need, and it and don't let it be caused you by its deficiency. That's it, sir.
मजा आ गया यार। कोई रटा हुआ नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, एक चीज भी ध्यान रखना। अब बड़ा प्राउड फील होता है अपने ऊपर। मैंने मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने केवल इसको एक ट्रैक पे लेके आया हूँ बस मैं। हाँ टाइम हो गया इसको इनफ, लेकिन दैट इज नॉट मैटर। कि जिंदगी में किसी भी ग्रुप डिस्कशन में जाके बैठ जाना, कभी पीछे नहीं हटेगा। सही ट्रैक पे चलते रहना, लाइफ में बहुत आगे जाएगा अनुज, समझ गया ना? बस। हिंदी मीडियम में प्योर गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से पढ़ा हुआ लड़का है। कितने हो आप में से जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से पढ़े हुए हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर देयर? एक, सिमरन, काजल, रौनक। कोई बात नहीं है, मैं स्कूल इज नॉट मैटर। देख रहे हो ना इसको? अब इंग्लिश मीडियम वाले फेल हैं जिस तरीके से बोलता है। मीडियम इज नॉट मैटर, योर विल पावर इज मैटर। और लोग कहते हैं वर्क इज वर्शिप, मैं कहता हूं वर्क इज रिस्पेक्टेड, वर्क इज ऑनर्ड। काम पूजा होता है, लेकिन आपके काम को ही सम्मान मिलता है, ध्यान रखना लाइफ में। मैं अगर आज इसके लिए इतना बोल रहा हूं ना, तो बिकॉज ऑफ हिज वर्क, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज परफॉर्मेंस। दिस इज द मेन थिंग। शकल सूरत से कोई प्यार नहीं करता है भाई, 2 दिन 4 दिन करेगा। लोग आपको सम्मान देंगे आपके आपके काम की वजह से। लोग आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे बिकॉज ऑफ योर वर्क, बिकॉज ऑफ योर परफॉर्मेंस। शकल सूरत तो क्या है, 2 दिन 4 दिन की है, खत्म। लॉन्ग लाइफ चलता है आपका, लॉन्ग लाइफ चलता है आपका परफॉर्मेंस। कहीं भी चले जाओ। थैंक यू यार, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। Such students give me a lot of happiness. There is no limit of that ecstasy that I receive from such students. Yes, come on, Aditya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
So, hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and today's our topic is about vitamins. And as you all know, that vitamins is very important in for our human bodies, especially for blood and in summer times, because in summer some people get dehydration and other sickness, and vitamins is very important in this time, because there are 20 types of vitamins, and which discovered by the Lunin in 1881, and uh, and I think I know about 5 or 6 vitamins, which names are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, and I know which things are helpful for this to increase these vitamins, and we, as we all know, that vitamins, we should not take vitamins more and less, because we take more vitamins. So if imagine you take only vitamin A, not vitamin B and C. So your body, it takes two sickness, which name is scurvy and
हाँ बेटा,
beriberi, and
हाँ बेटा,
so if
हाँ आ जा,
always,
आना, ध्यान नहीं रहा उधर, आ जा बेटा, करता हूँ, अब करता हूँ, आ जा।
and always we should take anything, which we always take that thing in medium, like, and vitamin A, we can get vitamin A from carrots, and carrots, and other things, because I don't know of that things,
Okay,
and
okay.
vitamin, and we get vitamin B from
हम्म,
विटामिन बी किससे मिलता है? I think vitamin B we can get from the mangoes, milks, and other products who make by the naturally, and 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 I know a sickness which name is beriberi, which we can get from the less amount of less store, okay, less amount of vitamin B, and we should eat that thing, so we can get a freedom of this sickness. And second, and then third vitamin is vitamin C, and I think it is very, and its sickness is it's very dangerous for now times, because its sickness name is scurvy, and we should eat oranges, and milk and eggs, fishes, and other things who
who नहीं, which?
yeah, yes, sir, which helps to uh, which helps to remove this uh, this sickness. And this is the most three important vitamins. And now I told about vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So for vitamin D, especially we get sunlight, which is very naturally get 24 hours. Sorry, I think about uh, I think we can get it only uh,
12
morning
hours,
to
10
evening.
hours. Okay, from morning
So
to evening. Okay.
morning to evening, and
Hmm.
then and it is very nice. We can get sunlight freely. Not we don't give any money for this vitamin. And then the next is vitamin E, which we can get from fish oil, which is made by the fish's blood. And I think another thing of fishes which we can get from the fishes. And the last one, which name is vitamin K, which we only get from the kiwi, which is name of a fruit. And
Hmm.
so as you all know that some things who destroy these things like junk food and packaged foods, who make in outs which make from the outside. uh, and and these foods less destroy our protein, vitamins, calciums, and carbohydrate, and etc., which for which things we can get energy. So at last I want to say that this we always take anything in medium level, and vitamins is very important in daily life. Yes, that's it.
सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग ठीक करो थोड़ी सी,
Okay,
यूजेस को
sir.
ठीक करो थोड़ा सा। हाँ, अच्छा बोला आज आपने, बहुत अच्छा लगा। लेकिन थोड़ा सा सेंटेंस फ्रेमिंग को ठीक करो। थोड़े से यूजेस जो हैं, प्रीपोजिशंस हो गए, वर्ब फॉर्म्स हो गई है, सिंगुलर प्लूरल का थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो, थोड़ा सा फोकस करके बोला करो, है ना। अभी मैं रक्षित और अगर अनुज की बात करूं तो मेरे को कोई गलती नहीं ढूंढ पाता मैं कि कहाँ गलत बोल रहे हैं। वो उस लेवल पर आना चाहिए अब
सर
आपको। हाँ बोलो।
सर क्या मैं पहले बोल सकता हूँ क्या?
हाँ, क्यों, क्या हो गया?
हाँ सर, मेरे यहाँ फंक्शन है तो मैं इसलिए पहले तो आ
हाँ,
नहीं रहा था, लेकिन अब आ गया था।
हाँ,
पहले बोल लेने दोगे?
हाँ, बोल लेने देंगे, आ जाओ।
सर
हाँ।
सर
हाँ।
सर हर्ष भैया की सेम कहानी है, मेरे भी फंक्शन है।
क्या फंक्शन है तेरे? तू इतनी छुट्टी करती है, अभी तेरे को मैं हिसाब लगाऊं क्या अभी? तो तूने नाम लिख दिया ना। तेरे को तेरा नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए था ना। नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए था ना तेरे को। बता क्यों नहीं लिखा फिर तूने? 2 मिनट रुक जा, हर्ष को बुलवाने पहले। तो तेरे को नाम पहले लिखना चाहिए था ना बच्चा। अभी 1 मिनट हर्ष को बोलने दे पहले। यस, कम ऑन हर्ष।
सर मैं मर गया था तो उसकी बारी है आज।
किसकी? और अब भाई तू बोल बोल के जा फटाफट से। 12वीं 13वीं कर पहले जाके, चला जा बोल। हाँ, अरे अब।
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. My name is Harry. Today I'm going to tell you about vitamins. So as we all know, our body requires a lot of nutrients and nutrients for its well-being and functioning. So among all the nutrients, there are vitamins. And the vitamins are total mainly of 5 types: vitamin A, B, C, D, and E. But there are also many other hundreds of vitamins which have been discovered till now. But mainly there are 5 only. So first is for our eyes, which is vitamin A, and we can get vitamin A from green vegetables and carrot, etc. And one thing is that our body itself produces a lot of vitamins, but for the proper intake of it, we should take all the nutrients from outside also, so that our body can have a balance of it. And if we do not take a vitamin A in the proper way and proper leveling, then our eyesight may be weak and we can get specs. And second is vitamin B. It causes beriberi and also goiter. Goiter is a disease in which our neck swallows and we are unable to move our neck by our own. And third is vitamin C. Vitamins we face the deficiency of scurvy from vitamin C, which is a disease about which I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
and but don't know this that it is caused by the deficiency and lacking. It is caused by the lacking of vitamin C. And vitamins are not only a word, but it itself a story, because there are a more than 200 of vitamins, which about which a book can be written, and accord they have a very same role as others, like proteins, carbohydrates, to functions and produce enzymes for our body. And as we all know that our body is everything, and that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड। हाँ अनवी, लेट जाए तो रुक जा थोड़ा सा। और तेरे को भी तो पहले नाम लिखना चाहिए था ना तेरे को।
सॉरी सर, अगली बार से पहले नाम लिख दूंगी।
हाँ, अब बोलना है तेरे को, क्या करना है?
सर बोलना है।
बोलना है, आजा।
So
सर मैं
hello,
जाऊँ?
हाँ बेटा।
today's my topic is about
हाँ, शुरू।
vitamin. So as you know that vitamins is
अब जल्दबाजी में
very
खराब मत बोलना, थोड़ा सा फोकस कर ले।
sir,
तो जल्दबाजी
as
में
you
कहीं जाने के चक्कर में और कहीं कुछ भी बोल दे। बोल ढंग से।
as you know that vitamin is a very important part of our body. It is invented in 1881. As you know, there are only three. मतलब there are three main vitamins, A, B, and C. Every vitamin has its own importance, like in like one vitamin is for eyes, one vitamin is for skin, one vitamin is for our strength or anything else. So vitamin A is for सर आइज के लिए होता है।
बोलो बोलो।
सर आइज के लिए होता है ना विटामिन ए।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
So vitamin E is for eyes. In it want we have to eat carrot, black pepper, and some things are there, but I am telling about two. So in vitamin B, it is for skin. It requires etc. And this vitamin C is for स्क्रंची, मतलब क्या नाम था, स्क्रबरी।
स्क्रबी, हाँ
हाँ सर, विटामिन सी इज फॉर स्क्रबरी and it we want to eat healthy. So at the last I want to say that be healthy, be happy.
Yes. Now Lakshmi.
Yes,
Nahi,
sir.
Lakshmi. Yes, Lakshmi.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today my topic is.
Okay, okay.
Today my topic
Can I
is
go?
vitamin.
Yes, yes. हाँ.
And as you know that vitamins are very important for our body, and vitamin is discovered by Lunin in 1881.
इस क्यों आएगा?
And
वॉज आएगा ना बेटा, थोड़ा टेंस पे फोकस कर,
yes,
वर्ब
sir,
पे फोकस कर
was
बेटा। हाँ हाँ, वॉज डिस्कवर्ड। हाँ.
and there are 20 vitamins that have been discovered by many people, and there are two type of vitamins. One is fat soluble vitamin, and second is water soluble vitamin. In fat soluble vitamin there are four type of vitamin: vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin K, and vitamin D. And 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 water soluble vitamin is merely vitamin B and also vitamin C. And vitamin B is get vitamin C. There are many type of vitamin in vitamin B, and vitamin A protect our eyes and protect our skin, and it grow our body, and it prevent infection and many things, and vitamin B we can get vitamin B to taking milk and green vegetable, and the
By taking
deficiency
milk.
of,
बोलो बोलो.
by taking milk, and the deficiency of vitamin B is causes causes
Is
many
caused.
diseases
Is caused.
is caused many diseases like beriberi, and and um, and vitamin C also useful for our body, because 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 it we can get vitamin C from to taking oranges, and many sol many like lemons also give us vitamin C, and the deficiency of vitamin C is caused like scurvy diseases and many also other diseases, and vitamin A, B, and C is essential for our body, and the shortage of vitamins is caused many diseases, and as you know that vitamin D is very important for our body, because it protect our bone, and we can get vitamin D to taking sunlight,
By
and
taking, beta, by taking.
yes sir, by taking sunlight, and many other things, and some people take vitamins by taking medicines, and we should take vitamin naturally, and in the dry fruit there are merely two type of vitamin A and E, and we can get vitamin A from dry fruit and fruits and green vegetables, and and milks is very important because it protect our eyes, and by taking vitamins our body do best work, and we can get some energy by taking vitamins, and the role of vitamins are very important in our life, and and vitamins protect us from many diseases, and the prevents the protect, and vitamins give us many things, and we should take vitamins in limit, because more vitamins are very harmful for our body, and we should take vitamins timely, and the sometimes we have no vitamins in our body, and we should take vitamins to by taking medicines, and medicines also can give us vitamins, and that's it sir.
ओके बेटा, थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करना है आपको, है ना?
Yes sir.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा वर्क फॉर्म पे सुनना, अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग पता चल जाएगा अपने को खुद ही, है ना? वर्क फॉर्म पे थोड़ा सा फोकस करो बेटा. ओके. यस, नाउ वैष्णवी.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir, and all of you. And I'm Vaishnavi, and today our is a speaking session, and our topic is vitamin. Vitamin is very important for our body because they are organic molecule, and they are found in foods. And if we talk about the foods like in guava and kiwi and strawberries and etc. And they are very essentials because they prevent the deficiency of diseases. And it was discovered by the Lulin in 1881. And vitamins are categorized in many categories like vitamin A, B, C, and many others. I'm telling about the fruits that contains the vitamin. First of all, the vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C, the fruits that contain like guava, amla, oranges, kiwi, strawberries, and now I'm telling about the vitamin A, like fruits, papaya, mango, watermelon, and apricots. And I'm telling about after that vitamin A, the fruits like avocado, kiwi, and etc. And the vitamin B, like the fruits, bananas and oranges. Lemon is very important. In these summer days, big, some people, have some people have caused by the dehydration, so they should drink the lemon juice and nimbu pani. The nimbu pani contains the citric acid, and it is a very citrus fruit that we have read in our science book.
Shabash.
And vitamins are very important. And the vitamin A is found in milk, veggies, and many others. And the vitamin C, its deficiency is called beriberi. And the nowadays children eat junk foods so much, so they have lacking of, if we say, shortage of vitamins, carbohydrates, fats, etc. And they should eat fruits that provides energy to them. And according to me, every child and every person should eat fruit. And before eat the fruit, we should wash it. And because that there are many germs in it, and we should wash before eating. And as I am taking an example, that I always eat fruits because these fruits are very important for us. And if we eat these fruits, we live happily, and we live healthy also. And at last, I want to say that we should eat fruit and stay healthy. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Very good, beta. ठीक है बेटा. Come on, Khushi.
Yes, sir. Hello and good evening to all of you. My name is Khushi Gujar. I'm telling about vitamins. You know very well there are many types of vitamins. First times vitamins words was used by funk scientist in 1912. And vitamins was vitamins were discovered by Russian scientist Lunin in 1881. And there are many types of vitamins, and there are two types of vitamins, fat soluble vitamins, and second is water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins has vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin D, and water soluble vitamin has vitamin B and C. Vitamin A helps us for for see at night, for our eyes, and protect our eyes. We can get vitamin A in vegetables, green vegetables, and carrot, and milk, etc. And shortage of vitamin A, shortage of vitamin A is caused pellagra rog, I think, and vitamin B help us good blood and protect our body and give us some energy. And we can found in green vegetables, milks, and many things. And lacking of vitamin B causes very rog disease.
कोई बात नहीं, घबराए मत, आराम से बोल. हाँ.
And vitamin K help us protect our skin. We can found in a
Find,
nuts.
not found, beta, find. हाँ.
We can find, yes sir, in nuts and seeds and fats things. And vitamin K vitamin E helps us shine our body and protect our skin and protect our नाजुक थिंग्स को क्या बोलेंगे,
Delicate
part.
हाँ.
Delicate parts. And vitamin K help us for proper blood clotting, and no vitamins K means much bleeding. So vitamin K is vitamin K is very necessary for our body every day, and we can find in green vegetables mostly. And vitamin B, there are many parts of vitamin B. Vitamin B, vitamin B, B1, B2. There are many vitamins. And vitamin C, we can find in lemon and orange, many vegetable fruits, and it helps us give energy. And vitamin D, sunlight give us vitamin D, and it protect our bones and help us bones strong. And so we must take vitamins every day, and we should eat green vegetables and fruits, different type of fruits, and milk every day. That's it, sir.
ओके। और थोड़ा सुनना बेटा, रिकॉर्डिंग है ना, और शार्पनेस लाओ थोड़ी सी बोलने में ना, बहुत सारी जगह पता चलेगा अपने को। ओके सिमरन, कम ऑन।
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, I'm Simran, and today I'm telling about vitamins. And do you know today I giving my views through listening, whatever I listen today,
शाबाश, वेरी गुड,
because yes, sir, because that today sir taught about that passage when I was absent. So you know, vitamins are very important for everyone. And now I listen about some vitamins and who
Which?
were who
Which?
no sir, who was discovered
ओके, which आएगा बेटा,
vitamin
which was discovered?
which was discovered vitamins, and I listen just now. The Russian scientist whose name Lumin maybe who discovered vitamins and many vitamins are sorry many vitamins were discovered by many people, and you know vitamin is very important for our body because they stay in our body in a limit time, so we can't hold them for long time.
शाबाश यार, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ ऐसे बोलो, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, आराम से। हाँ
And you know, vitamin C is a vitamin C is a very important because it is a source of sorry sir yeah, it by when we
इट्स सोर्स इज, ऐसे बोल दो ना।
okay, its source is vitamin not vitamin sir, and when we we don't eat vitamin C, whatever we found in fruit when uh, we found a disease. We find a disease that name I think scurvy, and we can found we can find vitamin C in orange and lemon and many vegetables. And I think there are two types of vitamin. First water क्या बोलते हैं सर उसको?
Soluble.
Water soluble, and second fat soluble, and they are very important for human body. And second vitamin D. Vitamin D we can found by nut क्या बोलते हैं many nuts, and by sunlight, and vitamin A is a cause of disease that name I think Ratondi, and by lack of vitamin A, we find we found uh, the disease. No, we can lose our eyes. Uh, eyes. सर रोशनी को क्या बोलेंगे?
Check.
Huh?
Stop. रोकना. Stop. Protect.
Okay, sir. And by vitamin, sorry, and many source of vitamin A, like carrot and milk, and may I know, but I don't know what tell in English. काली मिर्च वगैरह, and vitamin. Now next, vitamin B. Vitamin B, I think it is for skin, and vitamin B, नहीं, by lack of vitamin B, when we don't eat vitamin B, vitamin B source of vitamin B, and when we find that the disease that name is beriberi, and in a summer season we need water soluble vitamins, because in those days, because in these days we face lack of water, we face dehydration, and that time we should take many vitamin, sorry, we should take in a large amount vitamin C, because it fulfill our it fulfill water need, and nowadays a lot of people, not child, a lot of people eat junk foods, and many packaged foods, and they forget that fulfill their need, fat need, but they don't fulfill their inside body's need, because they are sorry, because our body human body requirement many immunity minerals, and sometime we should sometime we should eat junk foods, but not a lot of time, because they are harmful for us. So vitamins is uh, is a source, and by vitamins, our by vitamins we improve our immunity immunity power, and the last, I want to give an advice. You always eat vitam foods, which foods which foods
The foods which
the foods
हाँ अब इसको बनाओ आगे
the foods which also full all full which have vitamins symptom. So, and you know, after this class, I will eat mango. So it is one of source vitamin A, I think vitamin A and C. and you can eat if you wanna. and that's it, sir.
ओके वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा और केवल सुन के बोला है बहुत अच्छी बात है बाकी लोगों ने तो काफी डिस्कशन भी किया था इसके ऊपर शाबाश बेटा सुनना अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना बहुत अच्छा कम से कम एजिटेशन तो नहीं है अब तेरे अंदर है ना जो भी है कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ कर रही है कोई बात नहीं बेटा बहुत अच्छा है वेरी गुड कीप इट अप शाबाश यस नाउ वी हैव द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ बी 23 सुने भाई इनको भी जरा ध्यान से है ना थोड़ी देर का हो रहा है बस ये इतना नहीं बोलेंगे अभी छोटे बच्चे हैं तो इनको थोड़ा ध्यान से सुने और फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम कॉलिंग रौनक कम ऑन बेटा बिल्कुल नहीं घबराना है बिल्कुल नहीं डरना है ना हाँ आराम से बोलना है बोल बेटा
Good evening, sir. My name is Ronak. I am a student of Ramban English Interactive Classes. Today I am speaking about my principal. I read in Shahid Lieutenant Abhay Parikh Government Girls Senior Secondary School.
शाबाश
It is in Gandhinagar. My principal's name is Mrs. Shumitra Dudi. She is about 37 years. She gets up early in the morning. She goes to she always reads the newspaper daily. She wears simple and clean clothes.
शाबाश ऐसे सोच सोच के थोड़ा तसल्ली से बस हाँ बेटा वेरी गुड
She goes to school at 8 a.m.
कम्स टू स्कूल हाँ बोलो कोई बात नहीं आराम से बोलो घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी हाँ
She comes back at 2 p.m. from
गोज बैक आएगा ना अब जाती हैं वो वापस गोज बैक आती हैं और जाती हैं हाँ कोई बात नहीं आगे बोलो सुनना रिकॉर्डिंग में सुनना पता चलेगा अटको मत हाँ बोलो
She is very punctual. She always comes on time. She is very kind. She helps all. She motivates to get education.
शाबाश शाबाश
She always encourages to participate in sports and other activities. She wears goggles when she drives a car. She is my inspiration. She explains very well. She likes to grow plants. She respects all.
शाबाश, बहुत
All
अच्छा बोल रही है बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया वो।
all
हाँ।
student all student respects her. She tells us stories. She is my role model.
वेरी गुड।
She loves all student and I also love her. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला, वेरी गुड, शाबाश बेटा। देखो, कोई डर नहीं, कोई घबराहट नहीं, कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं, बस फोकस किया है, बोल लोगे अच्छा। बाकी के सबको भी, काजल बेटा ऐसे ही बेटा, है ना बेटा? हाँ, जब नंबर आए तो ऐसे ही बोलना है बेटा, घबराना नहीं है बेटा बिल्कुल भी, समझ गई ना? हाँ, सिंपल सा टॉपिक दिया बेटा। आरुषि, आराम से बेटा, है ना बेटा? हाँ, बिल्कुल नहीं घबराना बेटा, बोलो आराम से, जितना मन हो उतना बोलो आराम से, कोई टेंशन बाजी नहीं है, बोलो।
Good evening, sir. My name is Arushi Mina. I read in 7th class. I read in Stanford School. Today's my topic, my principal. My principal name is Mrs. Kavita.
आराम से बेटा, धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से, है ना? हाँ, फोकस करो बस। हाँ।
She is about 14 years old. She wakes up early in the morning. She always comes to school on time.
वेरी गुड, ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से। हाँ।
She is kind and hardworking.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। हाँ।
She is a simple lady and wears simple clothes.
हाँ, वेरी गुड।
She wears glasses. She always speaks the truth.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
She takes tea and biscuits in breakfast. She respects students and teachers. She teaches us good manners.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश। हाँ।
She wakes up early in the morning. She is a beautiful. She takes dinner. She see many activities for us. She take care of us.
शाबाश।
She goes come back 8 p.m.
आराम से। हाँ।
She maintains for school.
फोर नहीं, सी मेंटेन्स द स्कूल। हाँ।
I am proud of my principal. I respect my principal very much.
शाबाश।
She loves children.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया।
She goes on trip. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश। बस ऐसी कोशिश करनी है बेटा, है ना? हाँ, और फिर रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना जरूर है एक बार। यस, नाउ कम ऑन। काजल, आजा बेटा। बेटा आराम से, घबराना मत बिल्कुल भी, कोई एजिटेशन नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, तसल्ली से बस फोकस करो, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बोलो। हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा। आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा, माइक चालू करो।
बोलो।
हाँ बोल बेटा, आराम से, बिल्कुल तसल्ली से फोकस करो बस प्रिंसिपल के ऊपर, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस, आराम से बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Hello everyone, I study in Ramban classes. Today's my topic, my principal. My principal's name is Srimati Sunita Tudinan.
हम्म
She is about 45 years old.
हाँ छोटे छोटे
She
सेंटेंस
gets
शाबाश
up at
हम्म
6 a.m.
हम्म
She comes to school at 6:30 a.m.
वेरी गुड शाबाश ऐसे धीरे धीरे तसल्ली से हाँ
She comes back at
गोज बैक
1
गोज बैक बेटा
p.m.
हाँ गोज बैक वापस जाती है ना
हाँ
बेटा हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं बोला आराम से हाँ
she uses mobile phone. Um, She wears a clothes.
हम्म
Um, she is good communication.
फोकस कर बस हाँ
Her
ध्यान कहीं मत
nature
लेके
and
जा
behavior are
हाँ
her nature and behavior are good.
हम्म
She likes to grow mini plants.
हम्म हम्म
She all students and teachers respect principal.
हाँ रिस्पेक्ट हर ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं है ना बेटा हाँ घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी बोल आगे बिल्कुल मत डर छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस सोच सोच के बस फोकस कर बस हाँ
Principal helps all students.
हम्म
There are 44 teachers in my school. She has a big car.
हाँ वेरी गुड शाबाश शाबाश वेरी गुड अब देख आगे ना एज का यूज ऐसे कोशिश कर बस डरे मत घबरा मत बिल्कुल भी फोकस करके रख बस हाँ
She teaches Shaurya Parampara. And she, she participates in the school's all programs. She is very beautiful.
हम्म
I I respect principals like a nice position. And, uh, all festivals celebrate my school in my school.
हम्म
And I am proud of my principal. That's it.
बार बार माई आई एम प्राउड ऑफ हर मैंने बोला था ना बीच में ऐसे बोला करो हर को यूज करना सीखो आप हाँ कोई बात नहीं है घबराओ मत बिल्कुल बहुत अच्छा बोला है वेरी गुड आ जाएगा सब रिकॉर्डिंग सुना आपने है ना कोई बात नहीं बेटा बस ऐसी कोशिश करते रहो और फोकस डेवलप करो अपना थोड़ा सा घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी यस आर्यन
Yes, sir.
हम्म
My name is Arya. My today's topic is about my principal. My principal name is Anita Sharma. Her
वीडियो
age
बंद कर लो
about
अपना कैमरा बंद कर लो अपना
9 years.
हम्म हाँ बोलो
Her
अब
age about 30. Her age about 40 years. She wakes up. She comes to school at time, and she goes to home at 3 o'clock.
Hmm.
She wears a sari.
चलो चालू कर लो कैमरा, वही कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा, देखोगे तो सही। चालू कर लो कैमरा, और पीछे जो बैकग्राउंड लगा रखा है इसको बंद करो। चालू कर लो बेटा कैमरा, बोलो फटाफट से। हाँ हाँ।
She comes to George Cycle daily
हम्म
for work. And, uh, uh, she is a street teacher and she was principal of my school. She lives in
हम्म
she eats poha and sandwich in breakfast,
हम्म
and also a cup of tea. She her hobby is playing kho
हम्म
and he and she wants to go to stop.
हम्म
She's a she's a strong she's a strong woman in my school.
हम्म
She has flowers. So gentle.
डेटा बचा के रखा करो थोड़ा क्लास के लिए, है ना बेटा, और थोड़ी मेहनत करो अभी। ओके। हाँ। यस। आदित्य।
Yes, sir. My name is Aditya, reading class 7. My school name is Jefferson Shiksha Vidyadhanu School. My my principal name is Ketanji sir.
हम्म
He is about 38 years old.
हम्म,
Sir,
He goes
हाँ।
to school every day.
यस
in
आर्यन
the
बोलो।
class. Sir,
यस।
in
ओके
the
ओके
class.
ओके ओके। यस आदित्य बोलते रहो।
He goes to school every day. He watches TV. He gets up early in the morning.
ओके वेरी गुड, शाबाश बोलो।
He eats dinner 9 p.m.
एट 9 PM, हाँ। फोकस करो थोड़ा.
He goes to sleep at 10 o'clock
Hmm.
at night.
Hmm.
He reads the newspaper daily.
शाबाश, ऐसे बोलो. वेरी गुड. Hmm.
He drinks tea in the morning. He goes for a walk every morning.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. ऐसे फोकस कर करके बोलते रहे, फ्लो हो जाएगा अपने आप, घबरा मत. हाँ.
He returns at 2 o'clock. He wears pajama and t-shirt.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड. ऐसे फोकस कर बस. बहुत अच्छा, वेरी गुड. हाँ. हम्म.
We are proud of him. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड. बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा. ऐसी कोशिश किया कर बस. शाबाश. कल्पना है क्या? नहीं है. चलिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.